Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta yummy. First, select premium ingredients like durum wheat semolina and fresh eggs for homemade pasta or a good quality dried pasta. This foundation is crucial for achieving that perfect texture and flavor. Next, focus on the cooking process to ensure your pasta is al dente, offering a delightful bite. We'll cover everything from boiling water to saucing techniques. To achieve that ideal al dente texture, start with a large pot of generously salted water, about 1 tablespoon of salt per gallon. Bring it to a rolling boil before adding your pasta. Stir it immediately and frequently during the first few minutes to prevent sticking. Cook according to package directions, but always taste test a minute or two before the suggested time. You want it firm, with a slight resistance when you bite. A truly yummy pasta dish relies heavily on its sauce. Consider the pasta shape. Thinner sauces cling better to long, thin pasta, while robust sauces suit larger shapes. For a classic red sauce, use ripe, flavorful tomatoes. Sautéing aromatics like garlic and onion creates a wonderful flavor base. Don't forget to finish your sauce with fresh herbs, a good quality extra virgin olive oil, and perhaps some freshly grated cheese for an extra layer of deliciousness. To truly elevate your pasta, always reserve about 1 cup of the starchy pasta cooking water. This liquid helps emulsify the sauce, making it cling beautifully to the pasta. Drain your pasta and immediately add it to the pan with your sauce, tossing to combine thoroughly. Garnish with freshly grated Parmesan or Pecorino cheese and a sprinkle of fresh basil or parsley. Serve your delicious creation right away for the ultimate yummy experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.